Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is Cedar Creek time. Let's take a look at what just came in. It's a 2021 Forest River Cedar Creek. It's a 345 IK. This is absolutely beautiful and huge. I can see frameless windows, dual power awnings, this one being a Thule power awning. Beautiful, rainy, windy day today. We got the solid steps that are spring loaded, so they're nice and easy to move. Let's take a look at the underbelly. Bing! Wow! Central vac, gonna like that. Okay, even though it's raining, even though it's windy, I'm still super excited today because this Cedar Creek just arrived and I love it. Let's take a look. All right, so two other chairs are underneath the bed. That table does extend. Theater seats are power operated. All throughout we have daytime and nighttime shades. That couch, super long. That turns into a bed. Look at the cabinets. Beautiful TV, fireplace that does throw out some heat. We got some speakers, Bluetooth stereo. Look at the kitchen. Wow. Oven, 4-burner stove, microwave, residential style fridge with an ice maker. That's nicer than at home. Okay, over here, pantry. Love it. Coffee station. More cabinets. Gonna like that. Okay. Center island with lovely accent lighting. Stainless steel sinks. Lots of storage here. Lots of storage over here. All right, let's move up to, there's a hallway. There's your vacuum system. Here is a nice closet. Control panel. Also, this unit is equipped with solar panels and battery. Bathroom. Dual faucets, dual mirrors, ceramic toilet, a one-piece shower with a seat, of course. Nice skylight. More storage over here. Love the workmanship in Cedar Creek. Wow. You can just feel the quality. Okay, we're in the master bedroom. And of course, this is a king-size bed. We got opposing windows for cross ventilation. And you see on both sides, we got USB ports. Over here, we got a plug-in for CPAP machine. Take a look. More LED lights. For a dresser, another TV. This over here is a Cadet auxiliary heater. So that's an electric heater, just in case you want instant heat. All right, we're gonna open up the closet. This is prepped for a washer dryer if ever you choose to put one in. Look at the storage there for your shoes. I'm gonna actually walk right in here. Over here, you can put your CPAP machine and be plugged in. You got your King Connect Wi-Fi booster. If you do want to work from the Cedar Creek, you can, and boost that Wi-Fi from the campground. Wow. I don't know what to say. It's a Cedar Creek. The quality is unlike anything else. A Riverstone, of course, their parent company. Riverstone does build a great fifth wheel, but this is Wow. Come take a look for yourself, guys. Pine Acres in Moncton, 80 Commerce Street. It'll be worth the drive. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.